Hello, grade 2. Welcome to our math review. So let's have our fractions first, and that one is a unit fraction. What is a unit fraction? A unit fraction is a fraction with 1 as a numerator. As you can see, 1 as a numerator. It represents the shaded part of all the equal parts of the whole. So these are called 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, and 1/5 are unit examples of unit fractions. So this one is 1/8. Okay, number 1 as the numerator, the one with shade. And then the line here between numerator and denominator, we call it fraction bar. And the number below is we call it denominator. Okay, so this one is 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. Okay po. Now, so which one is 1/10 here? 1/10. Okay. Point your finger to your answer. Ready? Show your answer. There. This one is 1/10. Next, which one is 1/5? 1/5. Please point your finger. Go. Let's see if you're correct. There. Okay, next. What is the unit fraction of, what is the unit of this fraction? The answer is 1/9, correct? 1/9. So 1 with color, and then you're gonna count everything. That one is for 9. Next, how about this? Ready? Think and count. 1 blank. Correct, 1/12. Next, reading and writing our unit fraction. So we have here 1/2. This is how to write 1/2, and this is the word name for 1/2. This one is 1/3, word name for 1/3. 1/4, word name for 1/4. 1/5 symbol and the word name. 1/6 symbol and the word name. 1/7 symbol and the word name. 1/8 symbol and the word name. 1/9 and then the word name. 1/10 and word name. Next, 1/11, 1/12, 1/13, 1/14, 1/15, 1/16, 1/17, and 1/18. Okay po? Now, let's compare and arrange our unit fraction. So, we have here 1/2 and 1/4. So, which one is the biggest? 1/2 or 1/4? Ready? Show. Okay, 1/2 is greater than 1/4. As you can see, the one with colored is bigger than the here in 1/4. So, 1/2 is greater than 1/4. What about this one? Okay, look. Look at the colored part. Which one is greater? 1/2, 1/4, or 1/6? Ready? And show. Correct. 1/4 is greater than 1/6. Next, let's try. You're going to use your hand. 1/2, greater than, less than, and equal to. Ready? And think for your answer. Then show your hand. Show greater than, less than, or equal. Ready? And let's go. Okay, very good. This one, 1/6 is greater than 1/8. Next, another one. Look, 1/3 or 1/4? 1/4. 1/4 is 1/2 is greater than 1/3. Next, this one. What is your answer? Correct, it is equal. Now, we are going to arrange smallest to biggest. Okay po? When arranging unit fractions from smallest to biggest, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction is. And the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction is. So, as you can see here, 1/4, 1/2, 1/3, 1/5. The bigger the denominator, yun yung small. Okay po, the denominator. And the lowest the denominator, the smallest, yun yung big. Okay po, so we are going to arrange from smallest to biggest. Okay, so the smallest is 1/5. Next is 1/4. As you can see also in the color. Next is 1/3, yung may shaded part. And the big one is 1, and the biggest is 1/2. Okay, the smallest, the bigger the number, the smallest the, what's this? The fraction, yung ating unit fraction. Okay po? Now, let's arrange smallest to biggest. Ready? And think, think, think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 1/12. Next is 1/9. Next is 1/8. And the biggest is 1/5. Okay po, let's go to our similar fractions. Unit fraction number 1 is the numerator, while in similar fractions have the same denominators. All are the same. Okay po, so these are similar fractions. So we have here 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, or 1/2. So when you arrange the similar fraction, the fraction with the larger numerator, yung may large na numerator, that's the biggest one. Okay po? And the one with the smaller numerator, the small numerator, this one is the smallest. Okay po? And now, let's see. So compare. Ready? And like this. And show your answer. Okay, correct. This one. Okay po? 7/6, 2/6. So mas marami yung 7. Next, what about this? 2/3 or 1/3? Ready? And show your answer. Correct, like this. Okay, now let's go to half circles and quarter circles. Half circles, each half circle is called semicircle. So this one is an example of half circles. And then if we have two semicircles, then it's a whole already. So these are the examples of half circles. This one is a quarter circle. For quarter circle, you can form a whole circle. And these are the examples of quarter circle. Two-dimensional shapes. What is a two-dimensional shape? Okay, they are two-dimensional because they have only 2 dimensions, such as width and height, and no thickness. They are flat. Okay, the examples of two-dimensional shapes are square, rectangle, and triangle. They are flat. Symmetry. Okay, symmetrical figure has parts that match on both sides of a line along middle. Okay, kapag finold, kapag kinat, they have the same. Like this one, letter A, the smiley. Okay, they are symmetrical, and also this one. While non-symmetrical figure has parts that do not match. Okay, if we cut it in the middle here, they did match. Let's try cutting it here like this. Still, they do not match. Okay po, also this one. So these are non-symmetrical figure. Okay, and the line there is what you call a line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a line that divides a figure into 2 congruent parts. So let's try. So I'm gonna cut it here. Symmetrical or non-symmetrical? Correct, symmetrical. What about here? Cut. Symmetrical or non-symmetrical? Correct, non-symmetrical. I will cut it here. Symmetrical, sorry. This one is symmetrical. What about here? I cut it here on this one. Symmetrical or non-symmetrical? Non-symmetrical. What about this one? I want to cut it here in the middle. Symmetrical or non-symmetrical? Correct, it is non-symmetrical. Now, tessellations, as you can see, the meaning of tessellations are patterns you can make from different shapes. There are in tessellations, there are no gaps or spaces between repeating shapes. So I'm going to show you the examples of tessellations. This one and also this one. Okay, next, straight lines and curved lines. So straight line is the shorter distance between 2 points, and this one is a curved line, sometimes called curved. Okay po? Easy lang to. Now let's go to straight and curved surfaces. So the books, the hollow blocks, the, what's this? Rubrics, and the coins, these objects can be put on top of one another of the same kind because rectangular and round boxes have flat surfaces. Okay po, ito yan. O, flat yung kanila, ilalim. So, you can put on top of the another. Okay po? While these objects cannot be put on top of another of the same kind because they have curved surfaces. Babagsak, magfo-fall. If you put another ball here, and it cannot be, right? Okay, so this one is curved surfaces, and these are the examples of curved surfaces, and these are the examples of flat surfaces. Now let's go to our time, telling time on analog clock. So an analog clock has 3 hands. These are the short hand, a long hand, excuse me, and a thin hand, a long thin hand. Short hand, what it shows the hours. Okay, so this one 3, and the long hand shows the minutes. 3, 5, 6, 7, 3:07. And the long thin hand shows the seconds. In the clock shown, the short hand points at 8. Okay po, that's the hour. While the long hand points at 12. So the time is 8 o'clock. Next, the numbers on analog clock tell the hour. There are 12 hours in the morning and 12 hours in the afternoon and evening. The small lines here around the clock tell the minutes, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. When reading the time, read the hour first, yung small hand first, and then the minutes. Okay? Count 5 for each number, 5, 10, 15, 20. But if it is here, 20, 21, 22. Okay? So the clock shows time is 8:15. Okay po, 8:15. You will read the shorthand, the hour first, shorthand, 8:15. Okay? The time here is, the shorthand is in 9:30. Okay po, 9:30. Or you can say 9:30. Next, the time here is 10. Shorthand first. Read the shorthand first. 10, 10. Okay? Now, let's see if you can read the time. What time is it? Ready and think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say it. Correct. It is 4:35. Next clock. What time is it? Ready? Think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say it. Correct. It is 8:20. What about this? Ready and think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say your answer. Correct. It is 12:50. Okay po? It's almost 1 hour, 1 o'clock. 12:50. What about this one? Okay, let's see. You write 2:55. Okay, make your clock and set the time at 2:55. Okay po, 2:55. Let's see if you can answer that one. 2:55. Ready? May I see your answer? I'm gonna show my answer and let's see if you are correct. 2:55. Okay, 2:55. Next is 5:05. 5:05. Go, take your time. Okay, I'm gonna show mine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5:05. You're correct? Okay, now let's go to the last one. Please show 6:30. 6:30. Ready and think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna show mine. 6:30. Okay po? Now let's go to our digital clock. A while ago, it is analog clock. So the digital clock has no hands. It displays the time digitally either in numbers or in symbols. The hours on digital clock are separated from the minutes. Okay, may semicolon here. One is the hour and this one is the minute. So it's 1:30. Okay, the number on the left of the column tells the hour, 7. The number on the right of the column tells the minute, 7 o'clock in the morning. The symbol AM and PM appears in the morning. The symbol AM appears in the morning, while on the upper right corner, and the symbol PM in the afternoon in the lower right corner. Okay po, 7 a.m. or 7 in the morning, 7 a.m. in the morning, 3:45 p.m. or 3:45 in the afternoon. Okay po? To tell the time, we just need to write the numbers from left to right. So this one is 7 a.m., which read as 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, 3:45 p.m. or 3:45 in the afternoon. So let's see. It's 11:25. 11:25. Okay, 11:25 in the morning. What about this one? 4:55 p.m. 4:55 p.m. How will you read it? Correct. 4:55 in the afternoon. What about this one? 9:28 a.m. 9:28 a.m. How do you say it? Correct. It is 9:28 in the morning. Okay, let's go to our elapsed time. Elapsed time is the amount of time that has passed. Okay, Brent started playing at 8 in the morning and the game ended at 8:30. How long did he play? So to find out, we need to start from 8 o'clock up to 8:30. Count it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, up to 6. Okay, it means 30 minutes have elapsed. Okay, 30 minutes have elapsed. So let's try this one. 9:30 and 10:30. How many minutes or hours? Okay, correct. It is 1 hour. What about this one? 8 o'clock and 8:20. 8 o'clock and 8:20. Can you please say your answer? Correct. It is 20 minutes. Okay. Next, Augustine started his guitar lesson at 9:15 and it ended at 9:55. How long did he study playing guitar? 9:15 count up to 9:55. How many? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, up to 11. So, Augustine started playing his guitar at how long pala? Augustine played guitar for 40 minutes. Okay, now let's go to our problem solving, the last topic in our math. Okay, mother finished sewing a pillowcase of one of her old skirts. 30 minutes after she started, she finished sewing at 4:50. What time did she start? To solve this problem, we need to analyze the problem and then note the given data. Let us use GAPESA method. So the given are the numbers there or the time, 30 minutes and then 4:50 p.m. What is asked? What time did she start? Okay? Make sure that you know this one kasi meron itong ganito sa ating exam. Next, process or what operation you are going to use. Subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division. So for this one, we are going to use subtraction. And equation, what is equation? Okay, like this. 4 hours and 50 minutes minus 30 equals n. While in solution, there's already, that's the time you solve and to get the answer. And the answer is, mother started sewing her pillowcase at 4:20 p.m. Let's try. Betty baked some cupcakes for her party. She started baking at 6:30 a.m. and finished at after 1 hour and 30 minutes. What time did she finish? What are the given numbers? Ready? Think. Can you please say your answer? Okay, correct. The time started is 6:30 a.m. and the duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes. What if asked? Ready, think? Say your answer. Correct. What time did she finish? What process we are going to use? Say it. It's addition. Okay po? It's addition. Now, what the equation is 6:30 plus 1 and 30 minutes equals n. No answer yet. Okay po? And the solution, that's the time you will solve. Okay, 6:30 plus 1 hour and 30, so 8. Betty finished baking cupcakes at 8 a.m. or 8 in the morning. Okay, so that's all, everyone. And see you tomorrow. Bye.